Very happy. We are going to Tagliamento. Our driver today is Isabel. She needs to practice. Let me show you. Isabel is getting ready. And also we are taking Diego with us. He's at the back. Very, very excited. Let's go. We are on the way to Tagliamento. It's a local river.
We just arrived, but we just need to find the right spot here.
We arrived.
Wow.
You can see the river at the back and also Diego and Isabel. Today is the perfect day to come here. Isabel is playing with the dog. The weather is beautiful and look at the river. How nice and clean. Bravo Diego. He's swimming like a fish. Diego. What a place. Diego. Look the water, how nice. How nice and pristine. Unbelievable. Very happy. I'm gonna come here next time as well.